Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul with Chef Aimee.
Hi.
And Amy's actually doing the cooking right now. Amy's the turkey master. And Amy's a little aggravated tonight. She's ready to start a fight with somebody. So rather than committing an act of violence, Amy's going to beat this turkey carcass up. And what she's going to do here is she's taking a knife and she's just beating the bones out. And she's going to take the bones and she's going to take this pot right here, which I'm going to bring over.
Yes.
And she's going to start putting the disposable things in here, which is really simple, easy. And she's going to make a nice little stock out of this. And it's going to be nice turkey soup. There's not a whole lot to really make any more of a meal out of. But you know what? Amy can certainly turn around and make a really good soup.
Yes.
Amy's usually the one filming, not the one being filmed. She doesn't like being on the camera too much.
But it's okay.
But Amy wants to show you that you can definitely do something with this. So what Amy's going to do is she's going to take some time and she's going to beat this turkey up. And on this, when you're all the garbage, like the bones and stuff like that, when it's done being boiled, she can siphon all that out.
Yeah.
And that's not going to be a big deal because she's not going to take the whole carcass and put it in.
No.
But she's going to... but she'll eventually take everything out. And this is not, it looks difficult.
But it's really not.
Like there's no reason to waste. Because there's still a good amount of turkey on here.
Yep.
And a lot of that can go into making a nice little soup. Once it's all cooked, the meat will come right off the bone anyways.
There.
So she can take that and she can use that again.
I think that's about it.
That's all you want to use?
I think so.
All right, so that's all she wants to use, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, the rest of that can be thrown out, but I've got the majority of it.
All right, so...
And this is fat anyway, so I don't want that.
So let's get rid of the gloves. I like to tease Amy that I'm teaching her how to cook. And I know that I do teach her how to cook, but Amy knows how to cook.
Yeah.
So she's going to use some chicken broth. And then she can fill the rest with water after.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. You read my mind.
Now, ideally, it'd be nice if we had that's full of water.
Oh, that can be emptied.
Okay, so I'm gonna
Empty that for now. Sorry, I did a whole bunch of dishes before I knew we were filming this, so.
Ideally, I'd like to go back to a store and buy a couple more things of broth, maybe two, but you don't have to.
No.
And it's not that it's expensive. It's a little late at night and I don't want to be running to the store.
And you're just gonna fill the rest with water.
And we're just going to let this simmer for a while.
Yeah.
Like, simple as that. Like,
Yeah, that's it.
it's not that hard, is it?
No.
Don't need to add any salt to it.
No.
Because salt kind of kills everything. Well, I mean, it does make a better taste, but...
That should be good.
Once we're done this process, we get rid of the bones. Then we can add some veggies to it.
Yeah. And potatoes.
And potatoes. So,
And rice, maybe.
and rice. Is the right one here?
No.
It definitely is not.
It's under here.
So, okay, it's under there. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
So we're just going to turn this to 5 and let it slowly simmer. How long do you think that's going to take, Aimee?
An hour, maybe?
An hour. Okay. So when an hour's done, Aimee's going to come back in, take the bones, clean that off, and then we'll be ready for the next part. So we'll be back.
Hi, so we're back.
Yeah, so here we've got about 3 things of celery, 1 onion, I believe sweet, 2 sweet peppers, and I think that's all we're going to use
and
here.
And a daikon.
And a daikon. A quarter or a half of a daikon. So we've got the bones already taken out. We've cleaned as much as we really want in here. So now Aimee is going to...
carefully.
Yeah, very carefully because you don't want to splash. And I'm sorry for the crafty camera work here because Aimee's the camera person usually, and this is...
Or Alex.
Or Alex. But
I'm not used to being the one doing the cooking.
and Aimee
Today I
stated,
did.
very much states that she does not enjoy doing this part of it. She gets rather mad if I ask her to. But since this is her favorite things, she wants to do it.
All sacrifice. All right.
And she's going to want to stir.
Yes.
Not that I'm telling Aimee what to do.
And I'm going to want to put pepper.
Oh, she's stealing from me. That's my pepper. Who gave you permission to use it? I'm just joking, guys.
It's our pepper.
I mean, this looks so good, I might actually steal a bowl.
Yeah.
Probably won't. I don't need some.
Then, just for a little spice, I'm going to put a little bit of maple bacon in. To give it a little bit of flavor. That should be good. Then I'm going to stir it around so flavor gets all through. And then all we have to do is let this simmer for about probably 20 minutes to soften the veggies a bit, and then that's it.
It looks really good, doesn't it?
Looks really good.
Aimee's turkey soup.
Yeah.
So give it 20 minutes, take her off, let her cool down, and you can store it whatever way you want.
Yeah.
So please hit that like, share, subscribe. Visit www.poulskitchen.com for all the latest recipes and books. Let's make cooking great again, and who knows, maybe Aimee might want to start
Cooking.
Like, wouldn't that be a thing? Because you know, guys, it's kind of what Aimee's doing is against the law. What she's doing is illegal.
It's supposed to be the man that does the cooking.
No. By law, Aimee's required to have 3 meals a day cooked ready for me. By law. You want to know how I figure?
How?
Because every inmate must have 3 meals a day. What do you say to that?
You're funny.
That's all you have to say about that?
Yep.
All right, guys. Come back for more videos. Let's make cooking great again. Rescue me.